what grief does. Grief is blinding. Grief is overwhelming. Kéèyàn máa ṣọ̀fọ̀. It takes a lot from you. So this video is for Allwell's brother. The young man that is hungry, that the industry where his sister worked did not celebrate her enough when she was alive. But are ready to celebrate her now by posting her pictures just because she's gone. Well, I cannot blame you. Aburo Allwell, I cannot blame you. Because first things first, you are going through pain. Ó wà nínú pain tó ṣe pé anybody lè máa understand. Especially tó bá jẹ́ wípé family ẹ̀, ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, ọmọ ìyá ẹ̀. Oh, grief is on another level. The pain you are going through. And one thing ni wípé grief yẹn máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn feel pain, anger. Téèyàn bá kí ẹ gan ní time yẹn wá wò pé kí ló dé tó ń kí mi. Kí lẹni rò? Bó ló wà? Especially irú kú yìí, kú òjijì báyìí, ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó ṣe wípé you just want to pain, you want something to punish, you want to punch something, you want to beat someone, you want to, ó fẹ́ fi anger yẹn, ó fẹ́ fi sára nǹkankan. Kì í ṣe pé, it's not that you want to really beat people up or things like that, but you just feel like lashing out. And it is understandable. Èmi personally mo understand yẹn. Wípé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀, suddenly this happened. You don't even know how you are feeling. Tán bá ní kán béèrè lọ́wọ́ ìwọ gan pé báwo ló ṣe ṣe ẹ́, ìwọ gan ò lè express ara ẹ̀. So the best thing you can do is try to just push a lot of emotions out. And while you are doing that, you will lash out. Àwọn tí ò bá wá gbọ́n, wọ́n á rò wípé òun bèbú. Wọ́n á rò wípé ara ń kan ẹ́. Wọ́n á rò wípé ìgbà yìí láàárọ̀ ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá ń sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ò mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ń go through òun ló ń push àwọn emotions yẹn jáde. Nínú gbogbo ẹ̀, wisdom is profitable. Tó o bá ṣọ́ ẹnu sọ, á better. I know you are going through pain as the brother of someone who suddenly left the world. You will feel a lot of pain. And lè bí Ọlọ́run, ká bí ọ ò sí. So gbogbo yẹn ó wà lára nǹkan tó ń ká ẹ lára. Now, àwọn èèyàn tó wá ń lash out, as in you are lashing out at people. You are lashing out at people who are celebrating her. Pé ìgbà yìí láàárọ̀ ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn ànábì kan rí. Ṣé o rí nǹkan kan tí èèyàn ti kọ́ láyé tó jẹ́ bí ọgbọ́n ni wípé gbogbo ayé ò lè fẹ́ràn ẹnìkan. Tó o bá kó èèyàn 100 jọ, tó wá rò pé bí wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe síra wọn, oníkálùkù máa ṣe the same fúnra wọn. Wọ́n máa rotate, á dẹ̀ máa even. Ó ń deceive ara ẹ̀, ó ń tọra ẹ̀. But ó lè fi síbì kan kó má fi síbì kejì. Àwọn kan lè kóra wọn jọ kán máa ṣe fúnra wọn more than you see others do for each other. People will do for who they gravitate towards. Oníkálùkù ló ní group, oníkálùkù ló ní clique, oníkálùkù ló láwọn tiẹ̀. Mo ń gbọ́ slang kan lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta, wọ́n sọ pé mọ tiẹ̀, dá tiẹ̀ mọ̀. If you know your person, you recognize your people, those are the people you can question or query or be angry with. Why didn't you do this for me? Because bó ṣe wà ní líkì ló wà ní gbàǹjà. If you say, àwọn people yìí wọn ò ṣe fún sísítà ẹ̀, wọn ò ṣe báyìí, wọn ò ṣe báyìí. Èèyàn mélòó ni sísítà ẹ̀ lòun náà lè ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún? I am not judging her. Listen to me well. I am just making you realize pé she is human and other people too, they are all human. Everybody ló ní clique, ló ní group. Ìwọ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹlẹ́ran ara as her brother, can you do everything for her? Are there not people in your own life that you don't care about? And it's not that you hate them, it's not that you are fighting them, but wọn ṣáà sí nílé ni pé kó ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ directly. Ó dẹ̀ fi ṣe kà. Tírú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá wá ṣẹlẹ̀, tí nǹkan ṣẹlẹ̀ sí, tó bá wá ní àìwọ́, ó dá sí wa ládùúgbò, ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé ní báyìí, wà ní ha. Mi mọ̀ọ́mọ̀, kò kàn sí ní ara plan Ọlọ́run fún yàn ni. So, wọ́n ní àjùmọ̀bí ò kan tàánú, ẹni tó rí bá rán, òun ló ń ṣe ni lóore. Ọlọ́run ló máa ń yan ẹni tó máa ṣe yàn lóore. Ọlọ́run ti yàn wá láti ṣera wa lóore. Kì í ṣe pé tá bá ti dáyé báyìí gbogbo wa la dẹ̀ máa ran ra wa lọ́wọ́. Òun ló ṣe jẹ́ wípé ẹlòmíì abẹ́ àwọn tó bá ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ gan, tó ti ń ṣe wàhálà, kò ní rá láàánú ń bẹ. Ó dìgbà tó bá tó bọ́ta ń bẹ, tó bá lọ wájú ló máa tó rẹ́ni tọ́lọ́run rán sí. So don't judge people. You are just lashing out. You are in pain and I get it. I understand it. Àwọn tí ò bá gbọ́n náà máa rò wípé bóyá o fi ń ṣèkà. What you have lost is something that is precious. A sister, like a mother. I don't know what your relationship was like, but ẹni tó bá kàn, òun ló máa mọ̀. And you wanted the best for her. You wanted more for her in that industry. And àmọ́ nǹkan tó ní kálukú ti ṣe fúnra wọn, because it is not possible for her to sit you down and tell you in total what everybody did for her. Ẹni báyìí o, ó pè mí sí movie, ó fún mi ní báyìí. Ẹni báyìí o, ó mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ kò pè mí. Ẹni báyìí o, mo pè é. Ẹni báyìí o, ó bú mi. It's not possible. Àárín sister ẹ̀ àtàwọn èèyàn ẹ̀ nìyẹn wà. But ìwọ náà, o ò lè wá judge àwọn yẹn náà, because o mọ nǹkan táwọn yẹn náà ṣe. Oníkálukú ló ṣe. And tí èèyàn bá ti lè díjú, tó ti lè gbàgbé ayé, gbogbo iṣẹ́ tó ṣe, gbogbo wàhálà, gbogbo ìdààmú ẹ̀, Ọlọ́run nìkan ló máa reward ẹ̀. Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè reward ẹ̀. Now gbogbo àwọn ará industry ní ìsìn, ẹlòmíì on post picture ẹ̀ because ó sincerely fẹ́ reach out láti fi àwọn ayé pé ẹni yìí èèyàn mi ni. Ibi tó káwọn náà lára dé, ìwọ ò lè mọ̀. So ẹ jẹ́ ká fúnra wa ní benefit of doubt. Everybody ló ń dùn, especially knowing the kind of person this lady, this beautiful Orwell was. I don't really know her, but I see her as a happy soul. She's always joking, always playful, always humble. She doesn't overdo anything. She doesn't overdress. She's just the kind of person that is just very real. What you see is what you get from her. She's very lovable, very easily accommodating. That's what we saw. And I would like us to keep her memory like that. You, as a brother, can only help her by pushing a positive narrative about her. Don't fight her colleagues now. Don't fight her colleagues. Ó lè jẹ́ bí gan ni ìrànlọ́wọ́ tí máa yọ fún wọn gan alára. Ọlọ́run lè ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ through this situation that, you are the loyal sister of this person. Story inú Bible, nígbà tí ọba tó fẹ́ bless ẹnìkan ní family ẹnìkan, ó ní kán lọ wá ẹni yìí o, mo rántí pé ó yẹ kí n ṣoore sí family yẹn. Ẹlòmíì tí Orwell ti ṣe nǹkan dáadáa fún, wọ́n lè wá yín wá. Ẹ má ba ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ jẹ́. Let love lead. Let people mourn. Let people celebrate in peace. It is for our good, for the repose of our soul, and for the peace of everybody. Kò sẹ́ni téèyàn fẹ́ bá jà. Gbogbo wa, ó yẹ ká ti kọ́gbọ́n.